Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to use crop image into a circle shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. Go to Insert menu, Drawing, New, and insert a image. Click the image icon, upload a image or take a image from Google Drive. Click the crop icon and set the crop position and click the outside of the image and click the again crop icon drop down menu and select the shape and circle shape. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.